Hi everyone, thank you for watching again. So today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite protective hairstyles. I've been really tired these past couple of weeks and I haven't been washing and taking care of my hair as best as I wanted to. So I decided I needed to get a hairstyle, a protective hairstyle that is low maintenance. So I opted for this hairstyle and I absolutely love it. I will wear it for 3 weeks and then I will wash my hair and hopefully have amazing length retention and amazing growth. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I started on freshly washed and blown out hair, and I don't blow my hair out that often, so when I do, I'm sure about to look at my length retention, and I must say I'm really happy the way it looks. Really thick, really healthy, and yeah. So when I create my sections, it's just touch and feel as I go. I am not focused on getting super straight sections. They won't be shown anyway. So yeah, it's just by feel. Once I'm satisfied with my section, I'm detangling it properly and then using some edge control for the roots to keep my roots clean. I really love that product and I will make sure to mention it in the description box below. As you can tell, I'm going for pencil-sized twists. They last longer and I just really love the look. So the look that I'm going for is to have my twists stretched and to keep them stretched. That's why I'm not using a leave-in conditioner all over my hair. I'm only using a leave-in conditioner at the tips of my hair because I want the tips of my hair to shrink back so that my twists don't unravel. And then you get this like curly look at the end of your tips, but you still have the length retention of your blowout. For the front of my head, I want my sections to be as clean as possible because those are the parts that are going to be visible, and that's why I section them off, and we'll focus on that later. So once I'm done twisting, it's time to do the final part, which is doing three flat twists to the back, just for a cute look. And that was it, guys. I really love the look. I jazzed it up with some hair beads I got from AliExpress. Like I said, I will wear it for 3 weeks. It took me 2 hours, including the blowout, to get this done. And I really love my luscious twist. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments box below and I'll make sure to answer them ASAP.